let's just say we've come a long way in a very short time, relatively, from these little teaser videos that Ducati posted and their announcement last October 24th. When you think about that, October, November, December, January, February, as almost February, as I'm reading, that's 5 months. That's 5 months from the announcement of this bike to teaser photos, teaser videos, and to now we actually have photos of the actual bike, the race bike, whatever you want to call it, in full race trim with sponsors and the correct parts and everything else. And they did a pretty good job of this, you gotta say, coming from, like, again, just teaser photos where you really can't get much from these. It's all black, they're taken in a perfect way where you're not collecting a lot of information, even like the plastics, the forks, nothing. They did a really good job of this, of just giving out good teasers. And for me, this is not a surprise. Ducati is a massive brand with a really, really productive and competitive and winning race program, at least on the road racing side of things, from MotoGP to WSBK, even getting into Moto America now. They're doing really well. So it makes absolutely pure sense. Why would they not make a bike that goes off-road and races in this section? Everyone wants their piece of the pie. Everyone wants their cut of the dollar bill. Or, sorry, I don't know what the Italian currency is. Euro, maybe? I don't know. Someone in the comments below, tell me. And also, while you're here, tell me what you think of it. Obviously, were you excited for this? Could you not care less? Are you sticking it to the Japanese brands because they are your favorite, or the ones you know and trust, whatever it is? Or are you excited for this because, hey, it's a new brand, it's a new bike with a big name back to it. It's not something like, some random company that just came out of the woodwork, but here it is, the Ducati Desmo450, which actually, I really like the name. I don't know why Desmo450 just seems to roll off the tongue very well. Show of forks, Akrapovic, whatever you want to call it. It's, Akrapovic. I've heard it a million different ways. Exhaust. I've heard a lot of people not like the fact that it's red, which is, to me, such a stupid argument that people are complaining that, oh, another bike that's red. Well, what do you want them to do? Go purple or something? No, they're going to do a recognizable color. And people are talking about the fact that, like, oh, well, Honda's already red. Ducati's been around a long time. It's not like they're copying anybody, but I think the bike looks good. Really slim front, really slim rear, not a lot of excess to it. Who knows how well it's going to run or how good it's going to actually be, but I don't know. You guys in the comments below, tell me, what do you think of it? You excited for it? As far as I know, it's not coming over here until like 2026, something like that, 25, 26, because this isn't supposed to go into production until 2025 for people to actually buy. They'll be racing the Italian Championship this year, and that's basically just their testing. But again, comment down below. Tell me what you think of it. Excited? Not? Whatever. Whatever you want to comment. I don't care. Tell me if you like churros or not, or you like pasta, whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.